Another day, another dollar.
This is 5.
This is episode 5. You're right. You're so smart.
I just learned my numbers.
Another day at home. But stopped raining for a little bit. Then it started drizzling again.
Yeah.
But you got out of the house today.
Yeah. And I went to Mimi and Dave's house, but me and Steffi were playing a lot together.
Not touching, though.
Yeah, no touching. We were like
Really?
this.
Yeah, really far apart.
Like this.
What did... Oh, I gotta mute that. There we go.
Like this fall.
Yeah. And what happened? Like, what were you guys doing?
I don't remember.
Did you do running?
Yeah.
And what else?
I don't know. What is that?
It's a cable. Stop touching things, please.
Okay, I will. What is that?
Stop touching things,
I
please.
didn't even touch it. Okay.
Did you do an obstacle course?
Sure.
Sure. Yes or no? Did you do an obstacle course?
Yes.
And what else did you do when you were at Mimi and Dada's house?
I don't know.
Did you pick up some sort of animal? A unicorn, maybe?
No.
Can you sit up?
We saw like a little mouse thing. Did Mom tell you about it?
What, the cats killed a mouse?
No, it's like a mouse, but it's like a needle mouse.
Is it a toy?
No.
Is it a real mouse?
Yes.
You saw a mouse at Mimi and Dada's house?
But it's dead.
Oh, yeah, so the cats got a mouse.
Bit it. But I don't know. Oh, just scratching.
Okay, so scratch your foot.
They bit it. And it's not really a mouse. I don't know what it is.
A mole, maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. But you were playing with little kittens, weren't you?
Yeah. I got all of them on my lap.
All of them?
Yeah.
Isn't there, it's 3 of them, I think, right?
Yeah. But, did you take a picture of that?
Yes, I took that picture.
But how? How? How did you?
With my camera.
But,
Which one, of the gorilla?
yeah.
Yeah, I took that picture.
How did you?
I used a camera.
Is that a real gorilla?
Yeah.
Real life?
Yeah.
Wow, you really saw one?
Yeah.
You never told me about it. If you take all these pictures,
Yeah, I took all of them.
wow. Even back there?
There's no pictures back there.
Yes, there is.
Not really.
One.
Those are stickers.
Just one.
Okay.
Ooh, I see. Remember that?
You're not
little
looking. You have to
sticker?
look this way and talking to the microphone.
Okay.
So what else do you want to talk about before we wrap this one up? Because this is going to be a short one. Because earlier today, you didn't even want to do an episode today. And now you're all excited for it. But what do you want to talk about?
Let's talk about princesses.
What's your favorite princess?
Wait, when I grow up.
When you grow up, princesses.
No, I'm going to be the fairy rainbow queen.
You're
The
gonna
mom.
You're going to be a fairy rainbow queen.
Mom.
Mom. How many babies are you going to have?
4.
4 babies?
Yeah.
Are they going to be rainbow babies?
Yeah. No, not really. But the skin is going to be like any color that they are. But if they're rainbow, they're rainbow.
Okay.
Because princesses love and blue and rainbow sparkles.
Kind of like Poppy. Like she likes rainbow and sparkles. She's a princess.
Poppy?
Yeah,
What do you mean, Poppy?
from Trolls.
Yeah. Kinda. Like Poppy in the Poppy in Bambolina, right?
No, in Trolls. You haven't watched Trolls in a while.
Yeah, but they're the same name, right?
I don't know the Vampirina character names. I just know Vampirina. Vampirina.
Poppy is the girl that has brown hair.
Her friend?
Yeah.
Vampirina's friend?
The orange hair is Bridget.
Oh.
So now you know the kid's name.
Okay.
So can we talk about what I grow up and
Sure.
I have?
What do you want to do when you grow up?
I want to be a mom with a fairy wings, and I want to fly. I wish I can. Can you really do that when you grow up?
No. Unless you're flying an airplane or a helicopter.
I can fly.
You can become a pilot.
No, but wait, do you know those like big wing things that you hold on and you're really flying? Like, psh, like that.
Like a hang glider?
Yeah,
Okay.
that has wings over your head.
Mm-hmm.
Did you ever fly on one?
Never one of those. I've done a parachute out of an airplane,
Whoa!
and I've done parasailing, which is you're hanging off of a boat.
Whoa! You really dived off airplane?
Yeah, I've showed you that video. You just don't remember.
Can you show me that again right now?
Not right now, because we're talking for the podcast.
Maybe when we're done.
You know, we
can
forgot
show
to
me.
open up the show.
Yeah?
So maybe this time, instead of opening the show, we'll just close the show with one.
What do you mean?
We didn't do you're listening to the Layla and Dada show?
Yeah, we
We
can
didn't-
do that right now.
You want to do it right now and then keep going, or close out the show with that? You want to end with it?
No, this is starting.
Oh, this is just starting?
No, I mean, this is like in the middle.
This is the middle?
Yeah.
So you have been listening to the
Layla,
and Dada
show!
That
I
was
love
good.
you. Don't turn it off.
This today almost became just a Dada show because you didn't want to do this today.
Yeah.
You wanted to wait till tomorrow.
Yeah.
But it's okay because now we're doing it because you wanted to do it.
Because now I wanted to do it. Stop crying. Again.
You stopped crying. Yeah, you were crying a lot earlier.
Ba 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 ba.
You want to sing a song?
Sure.
What song do you want to sing?
How about you sing first?
I don't want to sing. You
How
sing.
about we both make a story? Me, you, me, you, me, you. So the little princess was
Scared of a
dinosaur.
dinosaur? Whoa. And the dinosaur was purple and mint blue, which is also known as teal.
And it was trying to eat the princess.
That's not good. But the princess had magic.
Powers.
What was her magic powers?
Elsa. It's Elsa.
Oh, she's Elsa. She can freeze things?
Yeah.
So what does she
Elsa
do?
freezed the dinosaur, and it's freeze forever. And when it breaks, it breaks. So it died.
Dinosaurs die. That's what happened to dinosaurs. It's a
And
good
then-
story. Maybe that should be Frozen 3.
Maybe.
Maybe Pixar needs to make the next, or Disney rather, I guess.
Maybe we can go to Disney.
To Disney?
Yeah,
One day.
Disney.
You're thinking? What are you most excited for to go to Disney? and see?
Everything.
Everything? Yeah.
You knew I was going to say that, right?
Yeah. You always say that.
Yeah, because I don't want only love one thing. I want to love everything.
Yeah. We watched a show today, and Ellen was on it, right? The show was Little Big Shots, and Ellen was on it playing ping pong.
Hmm?
Yeah, she's funny.
Wait, Elmo's on it?
Ellen was on it.
Oh,
Not
I
Elmo.
thought you said Elmo.
Not Elmo. Ellen.
I thought you said.
So the podcast is now on Spotify and Google Play, and soon it'll be on Apple Podcasts. So that's fun.
Yep.
So be sure to subscribe.
Yep. Are we done?
You want to be done?
No.
So what else do you want to talk about?
I don't know.
And you're not talking to the microphone, so they're barely going to hear you.
I don't know what I want.
That's too much.
Oh my god.
Just sit normal.
Okay. Is that really loud?
Yes, that's going to be very loud.
Okay, that's okay. Wait.
So what do you want to talk about?
I don't know.
So we'll just close it out today? Maybe tomorrow we'll talk about something else?
No!
What? Why don't you show everybody that you know how to count to 20?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Good job.
21,
Whoa.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,
30, yeah.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
Good job.
101.
Whoa, you skipped a bunch.
Wait,
You know what else we watched today?
wait.
We-
I want to do the numbers, all of them.
No, you're good. You're doing good. We watched the zoo, which was at the Bronx Zoo, which we're gonna go to once this virus is gone and we can get out again. We'll go to the Bronx Zoo, and Bronx Zoo is in New York.
New York?
Can you just sit normal, please? And we also watched Coyote Peterson. Remember, he was holding the lizards, and the lizard clawed him, and he started bleeding on his wrist. And that,
Yeah.
yeah.
We will not like to touch those.
But we're gonna try to see Coyote Peterson when he does a tour and he comes around, because he's really cool,
Yeah.
and you learn a lot.
And he's real life.
He is real life. Yeah. All right. So I think that's good for today.
Okay.
So
Let's do the show.
well, so we gotta first tell everybody to be sure to subscribe.
Okay. You say it, because I don't know how.
Be sure
Be sure
to
to
subscribe.
scribe.
Subscribe.
Scribe.
There you go. Subscribe. It's a big word.
Okay, bye.
Wait, we gotta do the...
Oh, yeah. I forgot.
You have been listening to the
Layla
and Dada.
show.
Whoa, that's gonna be really loud.